Hi, my name is Cara, I'm Cara4 and this is my workshop. In here I operate a lot of kinda dangerous machines for a small space, where I have FDM 3D printers, resin 3D printers and a laser cutter. You never know exactly what's in the materials you're cutting or you're printing with. I'm kinda worried, and I figured out maybe I can make a ESP32 box full of sensors that complement the ones I already have, like the PM2.5 sensors that are in my air purifiers. I decided to add a VOC index, a NO2 index, carbon monoxide and formaldehyde. Everything in this small ESP32 box that connect to Home Assistant, so I can have automation and alerts that actually tell me data, not just smell. And before people freak out, I have a big exhaust system that pumps out the fumes and put them outside, and I have two big air purifiers, one in this room and one in my apartment. I'm usually safe, but you never know. So let's go, let's make this. It's kinda ugly, but it's gonna work. Surprisingly enough, everything fits on my first try. My tolerances are pretty much dialed in, like this actually clips into place. I mean, it used to. This is also fully into place. Only problem is these wires here. I mean, this has some height, so I just have to make the walls higher. And this fits, but it's kinda just on the edge of not fitting, if you see what I mean. I could move this slightly there. This is actually pretty much fine as is, but you know, just 5 millimeters more and it will be perfect. And I just have the right tolerances everywhere. This could be like 2 millimeters down, but that's it. Next prototype. This is my second prototype. Let's see if everything fits. ESP32 goes here. Yeah, and this one should snap in here. It's a bit tight, but it works at an angle. Our carbon dioxide sensor goes over here. Same at an angle. I think I can crack this. Okay, it goes in. This should just slot into here. Perfect. And then one of these here. I had a clip. Maybe I should add a little more clearance here. It's just enough. Yeah, okay. And that's it. I decided to go for a big flow-through design. Yeah, I guess I can print the lid. Let's see if it still works. You never know. And it still does. Perfect. Thanks for following along. This was a very short video. I just wanted to make this, and why not document it? I have other ideas for the future, like Furby hacking, how to make a big long Furby that you can actually control. My homemade laser cutter that is vertical and quite large scale. I want to add a few axes on it to cut at an angle. Probably other ideas in the future. So that's it for now. Subscribe, I guess. See you soon. Be careful, I guess.